I always loved doing things outside of the box. I was like, wow, this is a window into another world.
Art is so subjective. I love to compete. Just me and the dog and a table full of color. That's pretty good.
Oh, it's a lot of liquid. Everything I just said on that Instagram post or that you know, on the phone, it's just another liquid coming out. It's gonna hurt, but it's coming.
Same day, same time as Frankie Peterson was murdered.
A human being cannot exist in two realities at the same time.
I didn't kill that kid, bro.
No drug-related investigation. I feel like something very bad is going to happen.
Something bad has already happened. I didn't believe anything, but now I believe there's something else out there. It's worse than I ever imagined.
Man, oh, grief. It came out. It wasn't good. This one's gonna hurt a little bit because it's right at the hairline, okay?
One of the classic scenes in that was I didn't want to have my shirt open, but he wanted me to have my shirt off, and I was like, Mike, come on, man.
Okay.
What are you talking about? Take your fucking shirt off.
Good. Man, Tyler, this is like real deal surgery. You doing it though. Okay, so now we're done with the extractions. I know that hurt, that was painful, but you know, I know we had to make it. But let me get this last one real quick though. All right.
Of all the movies success was because after that, Don and Jerry refused to let it be a black movie.
Am I right?
And they fought the studio. It was like, no, this is not a black movie. This is a movie that the world needs to see, that everybody
Man, that's one that just keeps coming out. Man, there's a lot in there. Okay, it's gonna hurt.
Perception, essentially, that black people can't sell movies globally. And they say things like black films don't travel.
But then it's funny because on the flip side of that,
That was the part they didn't know. That was the part they didn't know.
the movie doesn't work, but the same guy in the lead movie could go and rap a song.
Yeah, it's just more. It's just liquid. It's like a big liquid bump. There's not any pus coming. I mean, the stringy pus coming. Is Taj? Taj okay? Okay. Yeah, so it's just liquid coming out. You can see it if you want, or you can. Okay. Just a lot of liquid in there.
So you guys aged 26 years. What was that like? Like going back looking at now at this age?
Now, for me, well, just trying to look like I was looked at.
Which is a very
Your most iconic performance has nothing to do with comedy. It's the scene with your dad in Fresh Prince.
That was
Hurts less.
Crazy, right? So, everybody on Fresh Prince was stage trained actors. So James Avery was on me. Nothing I did was good enough. He was on me. No bullshit. No, I didn't believe it. Right? And he just saw something for me that I didn't really see for myself at that time.
It's crazy how bad Carson Wentz is now.
Mm-hmm.
Because in your rookie year, he was so good. Now he's just.
Well, how long is his contract for? Like a couple years with the Eagles?
I don't think he got a new contract yet.
Well, see, and that's what I was just about to say. Normally, your first year or two, people come out strong or heavy. You know what I mean? Like, hey, I got something to
His
improve.
First year, they were like 11-2, and then he tore his ACL.
There you go. And so they probably like, oh, we need to restructure his contract. He hurt. He can't really play like he used to, which is true. You know what I mean? But it kind of screws the quarterback from trying hard. It's like, oh, y'all gonna restructure my contract? Y'all think I'm hurt forever? Oh, so y'all gonna get rid of me?
But I heard that the people don't want him anymore.
There you go. That's right. Yeah.
And fans.